Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular Bluetooth headphones, ZIHNIC and BERIBES. We'll be evaluating them in different categories to see which one comes out on top. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, comment on your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Both ZIHNIC and BERIBES headphones offer high-definition stereo sound. However, ZIHNIC has specially developed software and noise reduction technology that prevents ambient noise and provides outstanding sound quality. On the other hand, BERIBES has advanced dual 40mm dynamic sound unit and 6 EQ modes, which allows the user to switch between balanced sound, extra powerful bass, and mid-treble enhancement modes. It's a close call, but we give the edge to ZIHNIC for its noise reduction technology. Both ZIHNIC and BERIBES headphones offer comfort to the user. ZIHNIC headphones have a foldable and stretchable design, with earmuffs made of artificial leather for long-lasting comfort. BERIBES headphones are the most lightweight headphones in the market and have an adjustable headband for a more comfortable fit. However, ZIHNIC's earmuffs and headbands are made of super soft memory protein foam leather, which provides maximum comfort regardless of how long you use them. Therefore, ZIHNIC takes the lead in terms of comfort. Both ZIHNIC and BERIBES headphones have Bluetooth connectivity options for wireless use. ZIHNIC headphones are built to provide a quick and stable Bluetooth connection and works with all Bluetooth or 3.5mm plug cable-enabled devices. BERIBES headphones have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip, making it easy to pair the headphones with your devices. Additionally, BERIBES can connect with two smart devices at the same time, making it easy to switch between devices. It's a tie for this round. BERIBES headphones have an impressive battery life of more than 65 hours of playtime, standby more than 950 hours after one full charge. In contrast, ZIHNIC headphones have a 450 mAh battery that provides up to 14 hours of music time. Once the charge depletes, ZIHNIC headphones can switch to wired mode and continue playing. Therefore, BERIBES headphones have a clear edge over ZIHNIC in terms of battery life. ZIHNIC headphones cost $36, whereas BERIBES headphones cost $35, both reasonably priced for the features offered. This round is a tie. And that's our comparison between ZIHNIC and BERIBES headphones. Both headphones have their strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately it's up to the user's preference. We hope this video helped you decide which headphone to purchase. Don't forget to like and share this video, comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next one.